Can I do the prayers tomorrow?
Sure. We will do tomorrow. We'll give Subhadra only chance. Okay. Today let Moksha do.
Okay, Mataji. I'll let Balavrinda tomorrow.
Okay, Moksha, please start, Moksha.
You can let someone else go. I don't really want to.
Oh, you don't really want to? Okay. Then Subhadra, go ahead.
Balavrinda.
Wait, Subhadra.
I want to do.
Brinda, wait.
Mataji,
Subhadra, where are you?
I'm here, Mataji.
I can't see you. Can you on your video?
Yasya Gyanam Jalashalakaya Chakshuramitam
Yena tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha.
Namo Vishnu Padaya
Krishna Prashaya Bhutale
Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami
Namine
Deve Gauravani Pracharana
Vishesha Satyavadi Paschatya Desatadine
Prabhu Nityananda
Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasadi Gaura Bhakta Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Prasthaya Niveti Bhakti Vedanta Swami Itinamine Namaste Saraswati Devi Gauravani Prasayini Nirvishisha Shunyavadi Pashadhara Shayini
Mataji, if you're talking, we can't hear you.
Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhara Shivasari Gaura Bhakti
Continue the Hare Krishna Mahamantra one more time, one last time.
Hare Krishna
Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.
Okay. Now we have Padmasaki Mataji over here back. So then she will be taking
Hare
over.
Krishna, Hare
Mataji, please take over, Mataji.
Hare Hare Rama Hare Hare Krishna Mataji, this is Ojasvi.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, this is Parikshit. Hare Krishna, this is Parikshit.
Whom else? I have Obi, Keshvi, Isha, Balram, Bala Vrinda, Hare Krishna. Thank you. I know you finished the prayers. So
Hare
today
Krishna
we have-
Mataji, Shubhadra.
Hare Krishna. So see, today we have so much to discuss, and also we have a very beautiful small craft. I posted in the group. I don't know if you have seen. So meanwhile, if you don't know, we just need some color papers, a scissor, and a glue. So while the discussion is going on, you can keep them ready so that we will not run, like we will not go late. Okay. Some colored papers. See, like I have color papers with me, and I have a marker, and I have a scissor, and I have a glue. Okay.
Mataji, I don't have any color papers, so can
Okay, then you take one paper. You can just color it.
Okay, Mataji, thank you. Question.
Let me get the. Give me 1 minute.
I've got a question. If we don't, Mataji, I've got a question. If we don't want to do it, can we do it a little later?
Yes.
Mataji?
You can do if you want to do, or else you can do later. Okay. No pressure. But it will be very nice if you can do. So today we will be making this. Okay.
Mataji,
Mataji, what's that?
I'll tell you when we are doing.
Mataji, can I tell you something, Mataji?
Huh?
I'm saying that is this recording in Facebook?
Yes.
So we can see and do it.
Yes.
Yes. How much color papers do we need?
Yes, 2-3 colored papers. Okay. If you don't have anything also, that's fine. We will adjust. So we will start. Okay. So it is 7:20. For 10 minutes, we will do the shlokas. And for 20 minutes, we will have a discussion. And then we will start our craft. Okay. Okay. So first shloka, maybe 2 kids can go together. Who wants to try?
Mataji,
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 Mataji, can Parikshit go?
Okay. Parikshit and Ramachandra, go with the shloka and I'll have somebody else for the translation. Okay.
Okay, Mataji.
कथं विद्यामहं योगिं त्वां सदा परिचिन्तयामि केषु केषु च भावेषु चिन्त्योऽसि भगवन् मया.
Very good. Keshvi, you want to say the translation?
Yes, Mataji.
I think
O
I have to-
Krishna,
Huh?
O
Yes.
Krishna, O Supreme Mystic, how shall I constantly think of you? And how shall I know you? In what various forms are you to be remembered? A supreme personality of Godhead. Arjuna says to Krishna.
Okay. Next shloka. Who wants to say?
Nandini say?
Mataji, this is Samskriti. Can I say the translation?
Okay, Nandini and Samskriti.
Okay, Mataji.
Adityanamaham Vishnu.
Go ahead.
Okay. Adityanam aham Jyotishan praviram shumam Marichirmarutam asmi Nakshatram aham shashi.
Very
Mataji, can Shubhadra say the translation? Mataji, can Moksha please say the translation?
So Shubhadra, maybe you'll go next because Moksha had already asked. Moksha, you can say the translation.
Okay, Mataji. Of the Adityas, I am Vishnu. Of the lights, I am the radiant sun. Of the Maruts, I am the Marichi. And among the stars, I am the moon.
Mataji, can Parikshit say the translation?
Parikshit, let's see. After everybody's finished, we'll come back to you, okay?
Mataji, can you say Shloka?
Who wants to say the shloka?
Mataji.
Okay, but with Balram, now, okay, Balram and Ojashvi, go together.
Vedanam Samaved.
Balram, are you ready?
Yes, Mataji.
Yo.
Vedanam Samaved.
Dosmi. Go ahead.
Devanamashmi Vashavaha Indriyanamanaштashmi Bhutanamashmi Chetana.
Balram, did you say or you want to say now?
Said it before.
Okay.
Mataji, can Shubhadra?
Yes, Shubhadra, go ahead. I was about to say your name.
Of the Vedas, I am the Samaveda. Of the demigods, I am Indra, the king of heavens. Of the senses, I am the mind. And in living beings, I am the living force consciousness.
Okay, so we'll go back again to the first shloka. Who wants to say?
Nandini.
Isha. Okay, I see Isha and Vikram. I see Isha raising. Okay. Okay, let me pick.
Question.
Okay, question later. Just no, Isha, wait. I'm looking for somebody else. If there is anybody along with Isha, is there anyone else who wants to try? Samskriti. Okay, Isha and Samskriti, go ahead.
Katam vidyamaham yogim tvam sada parichintayam keshu keshu cha bhaveshu chintyosi bhagavan maya.
Okay, Karthik, you want to say the translation? Karthik is sitting, I see him.
O Krishna, O Supreme Majestic, how shall I constantly think of you and how shall I know you? In the various forms are you to be remembered, O Supreme Personality of Godhead.
Okay, good job. Okay, we'll go to next now.
Mataji, I think I have all three of the slokas memorized.
Mataji, can you unspot the people who are speculated, please?
Yeah, Ovi, you want to go with you want to say the shloka? I see Ovi was raising her hand.
Mataji, I wasn't raising my hand, but okay. Adityanam aham Vishnur Jyoti Samravir Amu Shuman Marichirmarutamasmi Nakshatranam aham Shashi.
Okay, translation. Shamagauri, you want to read the translation?
Mataji, I already read it, right?
Can I read the translation?
You did, Moksha.
Moksha already read. Oh, I think Mukund, you want to say the shloka and trans? Mukund didn't get a chance. So Prahlad is also there.
Mataji.
Yes, Mataji.
Can you read the translation?
Yes, Mataji. Of the Adityas, I am Vishnu. Of lights, I am the radiant sun. Of the Maruts, I am Marichi. And among stars, I am the moon. Hare Krishna.
Thank you.
Mataji, can I say the translation?
Yeah. Can you say the shloka? You want to try?
I wanted to say the translation for the previous shloka.
Prahlad, you want to say the shloka? Parikshit will go with the translation.
Can Sampriti say the sloka?
Samskriti, wait. We were looking for somebody who didn't get a chance.
Mataji, can I read the slok? Can I read it?
Who is the shloka? Who is that?
Can Shaya read it?
Yes.
Mataji, can I
Devanamasmi Vyasah Indriyanam Manaschasmi Bhutanamasmi Chaitana.
Okay, Parikshit, translation.
Of the Vedas, I am the Sama Veda. Of the demigods, I am Indra, the king of heaven. Of the senses, I am the mind, and in living beings, I am the living force.
Good. Rai Prahlad, you wanted to say?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, Vedasmi
Devanamasmi Vasavaha Indriyana Manaschasmi Bhutaramasmi Chetana.
Okay, translation. Who wants to say the translation?
Can Nandini say the sloka without looking?
Nandini, you want to say the translation?
Okay. Or Krishna?
Yeah, can I, Mataji?
Who is that?
Krishna.
My brother.
Krishna, go ahead.
Okay. Of the Vedas, I am Samaveda. Of the demigods, I am Indra. In king of heaven, of the senses, I am the mind. In living beings, I am the living force.
Wonderful. Thank you. So everybody is done. We will start then. So what was the quality that Mataji discussed yesterday? Who can say?
Linguistic.
Linguistic.
Linguist.
No, multiple languages.
Multiple.
Knows all kinds of languages.
Linguistic.
So linguistics, so today is something very important quality
Truthful.
which is very, very necessary and very needed. Like we all know the quality. So let's see what that is.
Truthfulness.
Yes, very, very important. Okay, so as you said, it is truthfulness. Let me see my screen. So it's truthfulness. So what is the meaning of truthfulness?
Being honest.
Being honest.
What is meant by being honest?
Always
Never lie.
saying lies and not saying something that has not happened.
Not lying.
Telling what
Yeah,
actually happened. Never lie. Never lie. Telling what actually happened. And this is what Moksha is speaking.
truthful means you should not say lies. Say only what you will do. You should not say something what you didn't do or what you will not do.
Moksha speaking, you should say the thing that actually happened.
What actually happened? Correct. So you think truthfulness is very important, or okay, or it's okay if you don't? You think it's very important in our daily life? Yes or no?
Yes, Mataji.
So how many of us are truthful? How many of us are 100% truthful? How many of us never ever lied? Raise hands. Moksha is raising hand. Moksha is saying she never lied.
Mataji, we all must have lied in some or the other way.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
It's part of the human body.
And if we haven't, then maybe in some previous life.
Yeah, so lying means sometimes we would want to hide a fact. See, when I was a child, I'm not like so much into lying and all, but sometimes what happens when I used to get little less marks, I used to get so scared that what will my brother say, what will my father say. So it's not like I should lie, but I used to hide my mark. I wouldn't tell, because my dad used to get very serious if I don't get a grade, A or A plus. So I used to sometimes, in higher grades, 8th grade, 9th grade, sometimes I used to get little bit less, like 2 marks, 3 marks. Then I used to hide for a day or for 2 days. So like that we will do, right? As a small children, we might not we might not lie, but we would hide the fact. So as Suraj said, in our life, either once or twice, for any reason, it could be for a good reason, we will hide some fact, some truth, right? So we all agreed that it is very important quality. So now let's see the next slide. Okay. So what are the principles of religion that is mentioned in Bhagavatam? You all know that Parikshit Maharaj, he sees the Kali personified. He will be thinking like, who are you? He's right. You all must be knowing that. So Prabhupada mentioned in one of his lecture this point, that in the age of who wants? I'll pick somebody to read this. Mukund, can you read this paragraph?
Yes, Mataji. Principles of religion. In the age of Satya, your 4 legs were established by the 4 principles of austerity, cleanliness, mercy, and truthfulness. But it appears that 3 of your legs are broken due to rampant irreligion in the form of pride, lust for women, and intoxication. King Parikshit, as Srimad Bhagavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 17, Text 24. The minds of people must be taught to practice these principles from childhood.
Yeah. So this is the Prabhupada said this in one of his lecture. So Parikshit Maharaj, what did he say? The age of in this shloka, it's mentioned. See, in Kali Yuga, austerities is gone, cleanliness is already gone, mercy is already gone, truthfulness is still there. At least little bit is there, but all the 3 have disappeared. Truthfulness is there. So, and see, Prabhupada is saying these principles, these 4 things should be taught from childhood. That is why, your parents try to teach you, your parents try to join in these groups or various other groups or Bhakti Sangha groups, so that you will get all this value system, all these principles from childhood. So now we will get into some details. Okay. So do you think we like people when they are truthful? Do you like if they're truthful, or do you think it's okay? Suppose you have a friend, your brother, your mother, your father, your relative, your neighbor, it could be anybody. Do you think you will be happy if they're truthful or not?
In some ways, Mataji, some people are just blatantly truthful.
Do you think being truthful is very important in any relationship?
Yes.
If you want a friend or husband or mother or neighbors or a teacher or anybody, you think the relationship will grow when it is true, when they're truthful to each other?
Yes.
Okay, so you are saying you like to be with somebody who is truthful. You are also agreeing that very important. Right.
Mataji, your voice is breaking in and out.
How is it? For everybody it's breaking?
Mataji, that's because another person is already unmute.
But is it breaking for everybody or just Parikshit?
Yes, Mataji, it's breaking for me also. Someone was unmute. Their voice was coming louder.
Okay, let's
For me. Mataji, how about you mute everyone?
Yeah, I'm muting. Okay. So now I was asking, can you tell me one scenario where truthfulness is very important in a relationship? Can you say an example? Did you face anybody who said lie to you, where you were very upset with your friend? Did you face anything like that?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes?
But I don't remember.
Yes, this is Moksha speaking.
Maybe, but I don't remember.
Yes. See, as you said, we'll wait.
Mataji, can Moksha share?
Moksha, I will come back to you in a minute, okay? So now we have agreed that in any relationship we expect truthfulness. So if our friend lies or if somebody lies, like when I was a child, as I said, my brother used to be so strict. Any small lie also, he would in fact, slap me or punish me. He used to do that. Very small lie, very, very small lies also he wouldn't tolerate. Even till date, he does that. So,
Mataji,
yes.
for some reason it said the host wants you to unmute.
Okay, when if it is coming like that, please still mute yourself. Okay.
Okay. Just stay muted.
Yeah. Okay. So now, as we all know, we are saying if we need a relationship, we want truthfulness. So our ultimate goal is to establish relationship with whom?
Krishna or Krishna?
So when we want to develop a relationship with Krishna, the Supreme Lord, then also are we expecting truthfulness in that relationship?
Yes, Mataji.
So we are expecting truthfulness from Krishna? Yes? Yes?
Yes, Mataji.
Okay, then is Krishna expecting truthfulness from us?
Yes.
Mataji.
But are we
Yes.
truthful?
Maybe. Sometimes and sometimes not.
Good answer.
50-50.
Yes.
Yes, we will come back to that sometime and not sometime. So as you all agreed that with Krishna also our ultimate goal is to establish relationship with Krishna, and even in that relationship you are saying truthfulness is very important, and we have discussed is Krishna truthful, and we said yes, and you are saying, and when I asked are we truthful, Ramachandra said sometimes yes, sometimes no. So we'll go further discussion. So now the quality of Krishna today we are discussing is truthful. Krishna is always truthful. So what is meant by truthful? Satya Vakya. Vakya means words, Satya means truth. So what is that? What is Satya Vakya? Satya Vakya means whatever you say, you stand on it. So now what is Krishna saying in Bhagavad Gita? What is that shloka? Who knows that shloka? On the screen you're seeing.
Mataji, can Parikshit say it?
Paramatma Shashvakchantim Nigachati Kante
And Shubha
Name
Mataji.
Pashyati.
Mataji, can
Padma.
Okay, I was about to ask all of you, but I think Mukund said that's okay. So he's saying Name Bhaktya Pranashyati. So Parikshit, what does that mean? What is meant by Name Bhaktya Pranashyati?
my
Parikshit?
devotee never perishes?
So Krishna said that word. He said, Arjuna, boldly declare, tell to everybody that my devotees never perish. So Krishna gave that word. So let's see if he is standing on that word. Okay. So truthfulness means he made a statement and he has to follow. He should not one time follow. He should not, as Ramachandra was saying, sometimes following, sometimes not following. Krishna doesn't do that. This one statement that he said, declare to everybody that my devotees will never perish. He's always following. He was following. He will follow. He is following. So let's see. So can you say some examples where Krishna kept his promise of protecting his devotees?
Prahlad Maharaj.
Prahlad Maharaj,
Yes.
Dhruva Maharaj,
Kunti, King Ambrish.
Draupadi,
Draupadi.
Gajendra,
And Kunti.
Mataji, Gajendra,
Gajendra, Dhruva Maharaj, Prahlad Maharaj. So what did he promise to Kunti? He said, your sons Pandavas are 5, they will be 5. So he protected them, right? There are so many examples. Just to quote a few, I kept these pictures. There are so many examples where all these pastimes we are not discussing because when he protected Draupadi, so many scenarios, not only, giving cloth to the sari to Draupadi, even Pandavas, and when they were in forest, in the Mahabharat war, Prahlad Maharaj, Ambarish, and for Ajamila, he gave a second chance. There's so many scenarios and so many familiar examples. Gajendra and King Indradyumna, who became an elephant in the Gajendra pastime.
Vibhishan ji.
Vibhishan.
Raj Mataji.
Yeah, this. Did I ever tell you the pastime of Tukaram and Vittal? Did I
Yes,
tell?
Mataji.
which pastime, Mataji?
I forgot.
I don't know this.
I don't think I said in Bhakti. Did I say that?
Mataji, I don't know this.
Did I say this?
But we
Mataji, you never said it, but I don't know the story.
Okay. Quickly, I will say. So this, who are from Maharashtra, there will be no Vittal. Vittal is also Lord Krishna. So what happens is Tukaram, Sant, he's called as Sant Tukaram. So you know what he does? One time he will just go to, he's a very poor, he wrote lot of songs on Vittal and is a great devotee of Vittal. So one time, you know what he will do? He's very poor, but he's very nice person. So he will take chilies. He sells the red chilies. So he will take to a village and he will try to sell those chilies. And everybody were thinking, you know, and everybody was saying we don't have those days. There is a system of bartering, right? You give and you get something. Yeah. So they will give it. Yeah, for moksha. So quickly I'm saying, so what will he do? He sells the chilies, but he's giving lot of chilies, but he was not taking money. So Lord Vittal will himself go and he will collect money on behalf of Tukaram, because he's worried that if Tukaram doesn't take money, how will he survive? So Lord takes care of devotees. Lord takes even the menial position, the lowest position, to protect his devotees. So now you might ask me, Mataji, you are saying that Krishna will keep his promise. Then many times he broke his promise. He said he will not take his weapon in the war. He took, and in the Kurukshetra war, he told a lie that Ashwatthama, he made a Yudhishthir tell lie that Ashwatthama is dead. So you might ask me like that. So what happens is, if you take Lord Ram's incarnation, Lord Ram gave a word to his father that he will go to the forest, and he stood on that word. So many were requesting, don't do it. And after Dashrath Maharaj left his body, Kaikeyi herself came, Bharat Maharaj came, so many came, but he was not, willing to go back. He was standing on the word. But Krishna, he goes a step further. He doesn't even mind to break his promise if that breaking promise will help his devotees. So why did Krishna break his promise? Because he wanted to save Arjuna. He doesn't mind to break his promise because he reciprocates so much. He loves his devotees so much. So anytime he breaks his promise, it is when dealing with his materialistic people. When he's dealing, then he will, he doesn't mind to break the promise. He gave the promise to Duryodhana that is not going to take a weapon, but to take care of his devotees, he broke the promise. And you must be saying, Krishna said so many lies in Vrindavan, always stealing butter, always, teasing the girls, selling so many lies. But as we discussed in our Damodar Leela pastime, Krishna reciprocates. If you want to fight, he will fight. If you want to cheat, he will cheat. How did the cheating come? Like Dronacharya, what did he do? He was not supposed to use the celestial weapons in the earthly planet, but he used the celestial weapons. He is the one who first cheated. So that's why Krishna has to use the trick of saying, he asked Yudhishthira to say Ashwatthama is, of course, the Ashwatthama elephant. You must all know that pastime that Yudhishthira Maharaj says that Ashwatthama is dead. Then Dronacharya thinks that his son has died, but Ashwatthama was an elephant. So because they wanted to reciprocate in a cheating way, Krishna also wanted to reciprocate that way. So Krishna didn't start lying. It was the other party who started lying. If they lie, then Krishna will reciprocate the same way. So where Krishna will go to any extent if he wants to save his devotees.
Mataji, like if Mataji, can I say something? You can only lie when needed.
That's what I'm saying. But you know what? And also that lying, when we all discuss. So what we have to see, one thing is, whatever Krishna says is righteousness, agreed or not. Suppose your guru comes and asks you, sometimes we'll have mentors as elders, we have some mentors, and when we are in a group, there will be something going on. Sometimes there might not be your mistake, but your mentor or your Siksha guru or your guru, he might come and say sorry. So can we go and say, no, I don't want to say sorry. Why should I say sorry? I didn't do any mistake. Should we say like that, or should we say, my guru said to say sorry? We'll go and say sorry. Do you think what is correct?
We are going to say sorry.
Sorry.
Whatever Krishna is saying is correct, right? So what if
You can ignore if some.
We're gonna say sorry because that's
yeah. So the point I'm making is whatever your Siksha Guru is saying, we are accepting that is the correct thing. So then what about if Krishna is saying? So if Krishna is saying, it might be looking like it's lie or something, but it is not a lie. It is right. Yes. Like he comes and asks Yudhishthir Maharaj. Yudhishthir Maharaj never said the lie. That's why the chariot was always not touching the ground. Yudhishthir Maharaj's chariot was always going on the, it was going in the
Mataji, like in the last slide, you were talking about like if you cheat, Krishna cheats. For example, like if you tell a lie, Krishna will tell a lie. Like everything you do bad, he will do the same thing.
No, if you want to reciprocally treat him, he will treat you the same way. We discussed in Damodar Leela.
Like to protect his devotees.
He doesn't mind. He doesn't mind to lie. Okay. So, what I was saying, I forgot my thought process. So, anyways, what I was saying, what was I saying?
I don't know. I just joined now.
Ramchandra, what was I saying before Keshvi spoke? Krishna, I forgot. So any questions we'll take at the last. Okay, see, I forgot. I wanted to say something. Yudhishthir Maharaj. So Yudhishthir Maharaj plus chariot always was never touching the ground. It was going up because he was always truthful and honest. But when Krishna asked to say that Ashwatthama Atak Kunjaraha, like Ashwatthama is dead, so that Dronacharya will stop fighting. The Ashwatthama is the son of Dronacharya, but elephant Ashwatthama was killed by Bhima, and Krishna comes and says this Dronacharya is cheating by using the celestial weapons. Now you say a lie that Ashwatthama is dead, then he will get disturbed and he will stop fighting. But then Yudhishthir Maharaj will give a thought about it. He didn't want to say that immediately. He will say Ashwatthama Atak Kunjaraha, and he will slowly say elephant. Like slowly he will say. So immediately the chariot will come down because his truthfulness, what he was thinking was not aligned to what Krishna was saying. He still had in his heart like he was lying, right? He didn't say, oh, Krishna is saying, let me do it. If Krishna says that is right, he didn't think like that. So his chariot immediately came down. So what the point I'm making is truthfulness is not what we are thinking is truthful, but truthfulness is what Krishna is saying, what Guru is saying. It should be aligned with.
Wait, Mataji.
Can we talk at the last, please? Again, I'll forget. So, we are discussing all this because we are saying Krishna is always truthful. Krishna always keeps his promises, and the greatest promise that he makes is, my devotees will never perish. To keep that word, he will do anything. And are we truthful to Krishna? Krishna is doing so much. He's giving us sun. He's giving us everything. We are stealing all Krishna's ingredients. We are stealing everything from him. But are we keeping our promise? Are we keeping our promise? Are we being truthful? No. As Ramachandra was saying, we'll say like sometimes we'll go to a lecture. We will get so inspired. We'll say from tomorrow onwards, I will be, chanting at 4 o'clock. I will chant these many rounds. I will do this much fasting. I will do that. I will do this. So many promises we will do to Krishna. But we will do for a few days. Again we will go down. We will consistently, we don't do it. It's always a battle. If we do one thing consistently, the other thing will go down. So but Krishna is not doing that. Always there are so many examples where he stretches, he comes beyond the boundary to save his devotees. So, and as I said, when Krishna is protecting, why we see devotees suffering? You might think like Chitraketu Maharaj, he's such a great devotee and he was cursed to become a demon. Bharat Maharaj, just because of one mistake got attached to deer, he got a deer body. And Indradyumna, King Indradyumna, because he didn't show respect to Agastya Muni, he was cursed to become an elephant. What is this, Mataji? Why is Krishna doing like that? You might think. But we are thinking from when somebody gets sick, when somebody is about to leave body, unexpectedly also we think like that. But what Krishna thinks? Krishna always thinks. So there is never a guarantee that if you leave this body, there is no guarantee that you will again get a birth where you can take Krishna conscious. That we don't know. That is not our area. There are so many laws that will decide it. So there is no guarantee. But Krishna takes care of. Krishna is always thinking, how will I help this jiva not to enter another womb? How will this happen? So Krishna knows that. Like if you think, like if you say Indradumna Maharaj becoming the Gajendra, like the elephant, so in the next lifetime he became elephant and he saw Krishna, so he went back to Krishna. But if he wouldn't have become an elephant, maybe he would have taken some lifetimes to go back to Krishna. We don't know that, right? So whatever Krishna does is for our benefit only, which is very difficult to think that way. It will eventually come with practice. And when we say truthfulness, you think we can say truthful, anything truth like by force, like in a way of hurting others, or it should be very palatable, very gentle. The truth also should be gentle or very forceful,
Yeah.
or very
Gentle.
it should be very nice, right? Suppose I come and say to some Mataji or some Prabhuji, like, oh, in my family this problem is happening, my mother is sick or my grandfather left the body. Immediately if they say, what big deal, even you will leave your body one day, you think that is good? That is truth. What they said is truth, but the truth should be said in a very nice way. Just because we should be it should be truthful, like we cannot blast the other person. Like if you take the example of Bibhishan and Indrajit, what happened? Vibhishan is always speaking truthful, right? Ravan kidnapped Sita, and he was always telling him in a very nice way that, brother, please don't do this. I'm seeing so many bad omens. Reptiles are coming in the house, rats are coming in the house. It is going to destroy you. I'm seeing all the bad omens. Just, leave Mother Sita, send her back. He was saying in a very nice way. But Ravan was not listening. And Ravan's son Indrajit, one time he becomes so heavy, so mad at Vibhishan. Then what happens? Then Vibhishan starts back talking with the truth with force, like you will be destroyed. You are going to be destroyed with Ram. So as the situation is demanding, that way you should say the truth. Suppose somebody is sick, you can't say, this is a body, it is all body means you will get disease. You should say in a nice way. So you should know when to speak the truth, how to speak and when to speak. Okay. So lastly, Krishna is Achyuta. What is meant by Achyuta?
Infallible.
Infallible.
Infallible means he doesn't do a mistake.
Mistake.
So Krishna can
Perfect.
never make a mistake. Krishna can never make a mistake of lying.
He's
Krishna can never make a mistake of, whenever I see Achyuta, I will get reminded of one thing. I wanted to name my son Jagannath as Achyut. So, but it didn't happen. It's a big story. He got the name Jagannath. So I wanted to name him as Achyut. So anyways, so Krishna is Achyuta, means he is infallible. We know that one of his name is Achyuta. So we should, so Krishna never makes any mistake. So do you think we should also develop this quality of being truthful?
Yes.
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, because if you lie, you'll get it's bad karma. You'll get like you'll be.
No, it's not about
Like,
bad, good.
No, it's not bad karma. But lying is not good, and you should be truthful all the time.
After some time, you're just gonna get it's gonna backfire on you.
Okay, just because now you can't say, Krishna is saying lies because of a good reason, so I will also lie. Can we say like that? Can we imitate God?
No, Krishna is like God, so
No.
Krishna's God, are we? No.
we're just like souls. So
We should
Only
never do that.
Krishna is infallible, but we are not because we can
we can't do
fail.
that.
Correct. We should never imitate great souls, or we should never try to imitate Krishna. Okay, so that is about Krishna is truthful. So the main point, the take home point is Krishna promised Name Bhaksha Pranashyati. So he's saying he will protect all of us. That means he's going to protect. You should have that faith throughout your life that Krishna is going to protect me. And as you all said, all know so many examples where Krishna protected, right? So we will stop here and we will start. So this scrap, you asked what? So you all agree that we have to nourish the good qualities in us, right? We should not nourish the bad qualities like we are watering the plants. See, I wrote some qualities here: truthfulness, respect, integrity. So you can just do. It's very, very easy. Hardly it will take 15 minutes to make this craft. So are you all ready? Shall we start?
Yes, Mataji.
Mataji, can I just go get my paper?
Yes, meanwhile, I will log in from my other phone.
Hare Krishna Mataji, what is the background color you use for the craft?
You can use any color. I am writing out of paper. I just use purple. You can use blue, any color you want. And the cup also, the mug also, you can use any color that you want.
Wait, could you show it again, Mataji? Wow.
It's very easy. I'm joining from here.
Once we make it, it's gonna be like, wow. When I hear the word Achyuta, I remember of the song Achyutam Keshavam.
Janaki. That's my favorite.
That's a big Haribol for you, for your song.
Okay.
Mataji, what do we need again?
We need. I am spotlighting. Okay, we need construction paper, glue, scissor. Where am I?
Mataji, we can't see your present.
Yeah.
No, I'm coming.
She's at Padmasaki Mataji twice.
No, I'm coming. Wait.
Mataji, is there a specific color we need?
No, you can. Color is your choice. You can take any color of.
Okay. Can we use like purple and green?
Huh?
Can we use like purple and green?
Okay, how do I do? Just give me. Okay, are you all ready?
Yes.
I'm just figuring out. See, you all have to take. See, green is grass, right? If you have white paper, that is fine. So cut one rectangle like this. So what you will do is for the base, you take one full sheet, and on this we are going to stick the grass. So I took a rectangle sheet like this, a small green, and after that we are going to stick here. So what you will do is, sorry, you know how to do grass, right? Very, very easy. You have to just cut like this. Very easy. You can just cut in quickly. Huh?
Is square paper okay, like for starting?
No problem. Square paper, rectangle paper, anything is okay. Small paper, big paper, any paper is fine.
Hare Krishna Mataji, can we cut this part, all of this part?
Yeah, all of that part, yes. No, yeah. We just cut the down part and then cut like this. You don't need that much big paper.
Okay, Mataji.
This is a virtual background. Achyutam Keshavam Krishna.
I don't see, like, do you have devices?
See, now I cut my grass. Do you see?
Mataji, what is the Mataji?
Brinda, tell.
What do we need?
Brinda, we need a paper. Any background one paper, and you need a color paper. We need green. If you don't have green, that's okay. Just stick white and paste it. No problem. Sorry. And okay, are you all done with the first step? Taking up paper and then cutting like that.
Like this, Mataji? I'm still doing it. I just sticked it.
Should we stick it to our background now, Mataji?
We can't hear you.
Not audible.
Can you
No, you just cut off.
Hear you sometimes. Sometimes we cannot hear you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You said
Hare Krishna.
We can't hear you still, Mataji.
You can hear me now?
better.
Now we can hear.
Yeah, so you have to take this. Now what you are going to do at the bottom, like see how I stuck. So at the bottom, we are going to stick that grass that you have cut. Okay, do that. Now take a glue.
Mataji, can you wait? I'm going to get my glue.
Mataji.
We have 24. Huh? Yes.
Is this okay?
Who is showing me? Prahlad, good.
Right, Prahlad.
Yes, Prahlad, go ahead.
Just wanted to show my picture of this.
Go ahead and stick it. At the bottom of your paper, stick it.
Like this, Mataji?
Where are you? Who is showing?
Samskriti.
Samskriti. Yes, Samskriti. So Samskriti, what you will do is, after sticking, like everything is, it is like this, right? So just curl it, just bend few things so that it will come like bending. Okay?
Mataji? Mataji?
I don't have color papers.
That's fine. Just take a white paper and you can put the color. Don't worry.
Okay, Mataji.
We can do
color. It takes a little.
it's okay. Or first you crayons, it's very easy. You can just quickly cut it with crayon. Sorry, paint it with crayon and then stick it.
Mataji, can I do the craft later, Mataji?
Who is that?
Have any Subhadra?
Yes, no problem. You can do later. I told you, right?
Can I do it later? Mataji, can I do it after?
Mataji, can you show your the one you already did?
Okay, see, I stuck it right. After that, you just have to bend the grass to give a grass effect. Now, we will go do.
Hare Krishna, Mataji, is this good?
Go and stick it. Stick it at the bottom of your paper. Glue it. After you glue, see now what I'm doing. I'm
Is
just
Samskriti good?
Where is Samskriti? Samskriti, yeah, try to bend this little bit. Give a curl like grass. Balavrinda, where are you, Balavrinda?
I will do that, Mataji. I will do that. 1 second, I'm here on.
Okay, I want to tell something that
Vrinda, ulta pettindi Mataji. 1 second.
Yeah, ulta pettu. Okay, see.
She did it reverse.
I gave curls like this, right? So you have to give
Like this?
grass effect. Yes. So now what we will do is,
Mataji, is this good?
so see now, yes. So now we will make this pot. So whatever color you choose, like red, any color, like water pot, you take one paper. And what we will do is, like if the paper, like maybe you have to take little bit, like this much, maybe your handful. And we are going to cut it, okay? Don't cut it, let me show you.
How do we exactly?
So I took a little bit bigger. You have to take for the pot, okay? Are you all ready with this? You have to.
Mataji, can I have 1 more minute?
Okay, it is 8:06. We have to little bit be Fast. By 25, we have to cut the call.
Just now observe. Let's ask the question at the end. Okay, that helps, Mataji.
Yeah. Okay, I'm waiting for a minute. See, if you all cut also, that's fine. You can at the last place. Cutting is only a little bit important, right? If you see how to cut, then it's easy. So, when you do, who are all ready?
like this? Is it like this, Mataji?
Who is that? Where are you? Yes. Janvi, you have to cut like grass. Did you cut?
Yeah, I cut the grass already.
Okay, go stick it at the bottom of your. Okay. So you will take the other one. Now what you will do is, now look carefully. At the end, you fold like this, two sides. Did you see? See, I'm showing you, so my folding is not very straight. Did you see? See, I folded. Are you all getting it?
Yes, Mataji.
Like this, Mataji?
Is this the handle?
No, not handle. So just fold. You can even fold more or less. That's fine. We can adjust while sticking. See. Okay. So now what you will do is, you will take the paper and the sticking. See, these things are there, right? Where we folded. So the first fold, see, you're keeping here like this, and you will glue. And this one you will glue like that. Okay. How do I show this? Today I'm not able to zoom. I don't know. Did you all fold the paper two sides?
Yes, Mataji.
Yes, Mataji, but I don't know how to put it on the paper.
You're not audible.
Mataji, you're not available to speak.
Oh,
Your
sorry.
microphone is on.
No. See, I'm saying it will be like a table like this, right? It will be like a table. So now on the paper, you are going to stick the pot like this. You are going to stick like this. This pot. See? You are going to stick like this.
Mataji, like this?
Like this. Okay? Whatever, see, this is bent like a table, and you're just bringing those two like that. And you're gluing it on the paper.
Mataji, is it like this?
Yes. This. Got it. Oh, what's your name?
Mataji, Balavrinda.
Yeah, Balavrinda got it. Good job. Very good. Ramachandra. Where is Ramachandra? Yes, Ramachandra also got it. Very good job, Ramachandra. So now I am also going to glue mine. I will be very quick. After that, what you will do is, same color, cut some small strip for the handle and the spout. See, same color spout, you cut this one, this handle. Sorry, this will be a little bit thinner one for the handle. Where is the handle? Okay, for this, cut a thin long strip, and the same color, cut this one also. Little bit fat and short. Okay, we'll do that. See, I also stuck mine. I am just doing it quickly. So
Can you show the full drawing again?
Mataji, we only have 15
Okay.
minutes.
now it's enough. Once we finish the pot, it's very easy. So after you stick that,
This big?
so no, we can adjust. Don't worry about the big. When you're fixing it, you can adjust. But all I wanted is, one is very thin for the handle, thin and long. The other one should be short and fat.
Mataji, do we fold it just like the other one? At the edges?
Yeah, yes, you just have to just see. I'm holding it, see? You will stick one here like this, and then you just stick the other one like that. Just fold and stick. Like that. You fold it, and the other one also you fold it down. Like that. See, do you see my handle here? Did you get?
Wait, Mataji, can you show me the handle again? Like how?
Okay, see, I have this thin strip, right? So I glued it here and I glued it here. So what am I going to do? The first one edge I glued, right? So I'm going to stick. Sorry. So you should glue it inside. See, if you glue it here, you're going to stick it like this. Sorry. If you glue it here, okay. So you're going to bend it a little bit and then keep it here.
The problem is,
Hey, don't bend it here.
Tina Krishna didn't take his.
Okay, we'll talk about it. Okay, okay. So
Okay, so
see, one you stuck like that, right?
Mataji, is it like a pouring,
Yeah, after you stick one side. After you stick one side, you're sticking the other side also. Like that. I think I should have taken another color. This is so bright.
Mataji, that is too bright. It's like shining up like a sun.
Yeah, that's what I should have taken another color. It
But
was.
it's nice, Mataji.
I don't have color papers either. So with whatever I have, I was just trying to show you.
Oh, okay.
But anyway, see, the handle is stuck.
So the hotel, this is the bathroom hotel.
Like that.
No.
Okay. So after that, as I said, we need a little bit fatter one for the spout. You have to just put it like this. See, you cut another one. So after you attach the handle, then you take this fat strip and you're just going to keep it like that. And at the end of the handle, we'll just cut same color. You will just cut a round shape and then you're going to stick on it.
Mataji,
Huh?
Mataji, we only have like 6 minutes left, Mataji. Mataji?
8:14. Yeah, we have just 6 to 8 minutes. After this, we are almost. I'll show you just one flower.
Mataji, can Akshita show?
Oh, Akshita is there.
Yeah, Akshita is there, Mataji.
Where is Akshita?
Over there, Mataji, can you see?
Yes, Akshita. Show. You're muted.
Okay. This is. I didn't do the.
No, very beautiful. Very nice. See, look at that. Very nice. Even. Okay, so after this, now what are you going to do? Cut a round shape and you're going to keep it there.
Show me once the finished one, the one you just.
Finished one? Okay, I'm showing. I asked you to See, at the end of this water handle, you have to just stick a round. If you know the water pot, it will have some with holes, right? So that one.
Mataji, we only have 5 minutes.
Okay. Almost.
Down.
Okay, so if you finish that, it's circle. Sorry. Sticking this circle one, and you can put dots, and the water you can do later also. Now I will show you this flower, how to stick the flower. Okay. Very, very easy flowers.
Draw them.
I got a special.
We just need circles to draw them. Just I'll see. I drew. What is happening? It's so bright. See, you have to. Dini Krishna, did you keep any background?
No, I didn't.
Then why is it so bright?
Oh, wait. Oh, the mouse wants. I know what is the problem. Mataji, you're not having background. Mataji, can you show
Video on. See, okay, see. For the flowers, you have to just whatever color you need. You just need the round circles like this. Just the circles, and you got to cut those circles. I'm showing you. Let me cut 2 circles. Any color of your choice for the flowers: pink, red, yellow, orange, purple. I thought of drawing, but every time drawing, you might feel bored. So today I thought I will. So after you get a circle, then what you will do? See, how do I show you? Okay, I'll show from down. Okay. So we are cutting one triangle. Okay. See, one triangle. And we are going to see, right? Again, from here, we are cutting another triangle, and you get like a flower. It's very easy. Okay, and what you will do?
Mataji, can you finish?
Mataji.
This flower you are going to just stick on top of one of these like that.
Mataji, that's easy.
See, like that. Okay.
Add a stem, or do you just put it on the grass?
You don't need.
Mataji, can you show?
You don't need any stem. You can stick on just the grasses the grass that you had made on top of the grass, and you can just write any qualities that you want to nourish. Truthfulness, I would like you to add, because we learned it today. We learned about it. We discussed about it today. So, and you can write your name on top of it.
How many flowers do we add?
Any flower. How many you want to make? Like 2, 3, 4, 5. That's your choice. Your wish.
Like
20. We have 5 more. 8, 19. We have 5 more minutes. If you have any doubt, I can help you.
Should we draw every single quality?
You can do it. That's completely up to you. How many you want to add, how you want to add. If you want to change any flower style, if you want to make your own kind of flower, anything is fine.
Mataji Vrinda is showing her. She's actually making one more. She made it already.
Where is Mataji? I don't see. Where is she?
You spotlighted.
I spotlighted.
Yeah, she spotlighted for me.
Mataji, I can see Vrinda's.
So she's making the other one also.
Mataji. And Mataji, we can
Hear you.
Muted.
you. And you're unmuted.
Oh, I muted again. No, I'm saying when I was doing this in the evening, Dini Krishna actually did almost all of this. He only helped me.
Very nice.
Mataji, look. This is Bal.
Very nice. I liked the yellow pot. Very beautiful. Yellow. Stick the flowers and write all. See, at the end of the hand. Okay. See, don't forget to put these holes. And basically, our theme is nourishing the good qualities. So, just like you nourish the plants with water, we also have to nourish our good qualities. So just write some qualities on the flowers. Okay, don't forget that.
Who wants to show? I can spotlight them.
Yeah, it's 8:21. We have 4 more minutes. We have to end by 8:25.
Okay, Ojesh, we want to show.
Those who didn't finish, please don't stop. Please finish it off and then post it in the group. This is such a beautiful craft. It will be very nice if you can finish.
Ojesh, we show yours. I spotted you.
I just did
Wow, very
big.
beautiful.
Whatever you did, very good.
Ojasvi, your water pot is so neat, very beautiful. Finish it. Take your time. Finish it and post it in the group.
Okay, who else is showing to Mataji? Jahnavi, are you doing? What are you doing, Jahnavi?
taking the flowers.
Oh, very good, Jahnavi. Good job. Showing to Mataji.
Can I show?
Who is showing? Samskriti is showing. Samskriti, you didn't finish the flowers yet, right?
Yeah, I didn't do it yet.
Okay, finish it up and send in the group. Don't forget to send.
Sharanya, right? Just now who showed? What's her name?
Shreya.
Shreya. Okay, okay. Yeah, it was very nice, Shreya.
Yeah, she made very nicely.
Okay, Samskriti, who want to show?
I am to see your finished works.
Okay, if everybody is done, we can close the call. Oh, Karthik's craft.
Where is Karthik's? Oh,
Hey, Karthik, same color you used. Yeah?
Mataji, Ramachandra is also showing.
Okay, okay, I'll spotlight him. Ramachandra. Okay. Okay, Ramachandra, you can show now. Karthik, thank you. It was so beautiful. Who else is showing now? Is there anybody who would like to show before we end the call?
Mukund was also doing. Ramachandra, finish it off. Make the flower. Don't forget to put the.
Today I did not see Prahlad. Laltanji Mataji.
Yeah, don't forget to put this handle and don't forget.
Oh, Isha and Vikram. It's very nice, Isha and Vikram.
Yeah. I like the flower. Very nice.
Beautiful.
Good job. Please post in the group. Janvi is also doing. I see her.
Jahnavi, yours is so beautiful, Jahnavi.
Mataji, I think
Very good. You put this down part into green color.
I posted in the group. If you have any doubt, you can see and finish it off.
Yeah, Mataji, it's already 7:24. We can close the call. Thank you all, kids. You did very good job. And as Mataji said, please post.
Mataji. Thank you, Mataji. Hare Krishna.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mataji.